Jasper has a box that contains 5 blue marbles and 4 red marbles. He takes a marble from the box, notes its colour and places it back in the box. He then chooses a second marble. We want to complete the tree diagram to show this situation. Now, let's think about his box of marbles first. He has 5 blue marbles in this box. So let's draw the 5 blue marbles. He also has 4 red marbles. He takes a marble from the box, notes its colour and puts it back. So when he takes the second marble, the box is going to be exactly the same as it was to start with. Now, when we look at the tree diagram, the first branch is always going to be what happens first. So that's the first pick. And then the second branch is going to be the second pick, what happens the second time. Now, if he takes a blue marble for the first time, what's the probability of that? There's 5 out of 9 are blue. So it's going to be 5 out of 9, and then for red, that's going to be 4 out of 9. Because he puts the marble back, the box is exactly the same when he takes the second pick. So it's going to be 5 out of 9 for getting a blue, and 4 out of 9 for getting a red. And then we're going to work out some probabilities. So, what's the probability that Jasper gets 2 blue marbles? To get 2 blue marbles, from the start, we have to go here and here. And when you go across a tree diagram, you multiply the probabilities. So it's 5 over 9 times 5 over 9, which is 25 over 81. We're going to do the same sort of thing for 2 red marbles, except that we would go this way. And that would be 4 over 9 times 4 over 9, which is 16 out of 81. Now, we then want 1 marble of each colour. There's a couple of different ways of doing that from what we know so far. So 1 of each colour could be getting blue and then red, or red and then blue. So, if we go blue-red across the top of the diagram there, that's 5 over 9 times 4 over 9, which is 20 over 81. Round the bottom is red then blue, 4 over 9 times 5 over 9, which again is 20 over 81. Because we want to combine these results at the end, we actually add these results together. So 20 over 81, add 20 over 81, that is going to be 40 over 81. The other way of doing that, once we had these 2 results, is that we know that all of the possible outcomes must total to 1, because it's certain that we're either going to get blue-blue, blue-red, or 1 of each. So the other way of getting this result would have been to do 1, take away the other 2 results that we knew. And if you do that, you'll find that you do get this score.